Okay, all right, guys. So today on board, we are having Boom 500 index. So as you understand, guys, I will teach you this strategy today so that you can be and you will be able to trade on your own, guys. So what I want from you, I need your attention. Okay, let us proceed, guys. So as you understand, guys, our strategy based on the price action, which we call it top-down analysis. So when we are talking about top-down analysis, guys, you will come across and understand this strategy, and you will be able to trade these assets or these indices like boom 500, boom 1000, and the others. So let us proceed, guys. On board here, guys, we are on the direct time frame or 24 hours time frame. So here on 24 hours time frame, we are going to start this price action according to our strategy from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, guys. I hope we are together now. Okay, so let us start it, guys. So you see, our tools we are going to use, which are trend lines and the ley lines. You see, I'm going to take this trend line. Remember, when you are drawing this trend line, start from this week, guys. It can't be a week, but it can be a board. But what I want you to understand is you have to start to draw it from this point to this point. All right? Okay, let us proceed. So when we are drawing this trend line, guys, again, I'm going to take another trend line from this point to this point. You see? So we are having something like this. So remember, this is our structure. Our structure is a ascending channel, guys, as you can see here. But remember that when we are considering to draw this ascending pattern, you have to start from this starting point. Either it will be a wick or a body. You see, for example, here, as you can see here we are having this kind of candlestick. Again, we are having this kind of wick here. It is a rejection here. So after drawing this pattern like this, guys, without wasting our time, what are we going to do, guys? We are going to 8 hours time frame. Okay, so another issue, guys, what you have to understand, after going to another time frame, you have to tweak your trend lines. So tweak it as much as possible and make sure you zoom it in and out as much as possible so that you can see the clear picture, the big picture, guys. So like what I'm doing here, guys, let me try to zoom it in. Then you see I'm going to tweak my trend line here. My trend lines like this. So you see, we are having the first touch from this point, from this board, and then the second touch from this rejection wick. Then boom, it break it to the downside. So what we understand now here, guys, we are looking for the selling opportunities. You see, so remember that here, after price reaching this price, you see, it is 5081 here. Then with all this, something like this, it was bearish flag. See, as I have told you on the last lessons, guys, you have to understand the nature theory. So let me try to recall it. Our nature theory, it's always like this: impulsive correction, then impulsive correction to the downside, impulsive. So you see, this is the nature theory. You need to understand this theory before to proceed, guys. There are a lot of videos there. They are talking about this theory. So you see, it's the same like this one here. It is impulsive, then a correction to the downside, impulsive, correction, you see, impulsive, then boom to the downside. All right. All right, let us proceed, guys. So now, guys, here we're having this kind of nature, impulsive to the downside, then correction. We understand that what will happen next, it will be the impulsive move to the downside, the same as this one. So this one, it's look the same like this one. It can't be a picture perfect, but what you have to understand is the mechanism behind these patterns. So again, what we have here, guys, we know that, remember, on this theory, we talked about continuation patterns, which are bearish or bullish flag. I think all you can understand this. It is when we are talking about bearish flag, it means that we are looking for the selling continuation. And when we are talking about bullish flag, we are looking for the bullish continuation pattern. Okay. All right, let us proceed, guys. Now here, guys, we have understood that after the impulsive move, we understand that what will be happen next, it will be the next move to the downside, as you can see here, guys. So let us proceed to H4 time frame. So, guys, remember that as long as you go deep to other time frame, make sure you tweak your trend line like this. So you see. So now here, guys, again, when we are looking on this structure, guys, let me try to put this ley line here. So you see, we're having some sort of head and shoulder. So you see, so this is another confluence. This is the left shoulder, and this is the head. Then this is the right shoulder. So our first hint, it was around here, guys. After the breakout of this continuation structure. So you see, let us proceed. After identifying this kind of pattern here, guys, you see. So our first hint, it could we could have took it around this price level. It was 50, I think. It was a 49.44. So this was a first hint. Then the second hint, it was here. So after identifying this big structure, we know that after the impulsive break, we always have the correction or consolidation, then impulsive move to the downside. What we shall be waiting here, we could have been waiting for the bearish flag to continue downside. So as you can see there, guys. Okay, so now what is our possible? We are looking for the possibilities here. So let us proceed, guys. So now here, guys, what you need to understand, when this price manages to break this impulsively to the downside, remember that there is a possibility of this price to move up to this price level, starting point of this correction. So you see, so our starting point will be around here. So our take profit will be around here. So this is price. It has potential, high potential to go down until this price level, guys. Okay, let us see, guys. Let us see. So let us go on H2. So, guys, as long as we are going to lower time frame, you can see that you're having the clear picture, the good picture. So now what are we going to do? We are going to deal with the current price. Forget about the past price, but we are looking for the current price, guys. So here now, guys, what I need you to understand is, see, you need to understand this. You see, when we are drawing this continuation flag like this way, you can see something like this. So this is it is a continuation flag, the same with this one after breakup. Yeah, after breakout here, it's the same like this one. So you see, impulsive move to the downside, then continuation to the downside, breakout of this big structure, this trend line, then continuation to the downside. So what are we expecting here, guys? We are waiting for the another bearish flag. So you see, so this is our flag, you know. So now what are we going to look here, guys? We are going to wait for the perfect entry. So we always look for the accurate. So you see, remember that our target, it is here around this price level. So let us proceed, guys. We are going to H1. Remember, on this time frame, 1 hour time frame, we always look for the entry. So you see, guys, you see, I hope you can see this. What you are going to do here, tweak your trend line like this way. So you see, again, click here, make sure you zoom it in and out so that you can see the good picture. So you see, now here, guys, we are having this, we understand that after impulsive move to the downside, we always have this either tight flag or flat flag to the downside. So this one, it is the same like this one. So you see, impulsive move to the downside, then correction. What are we waiting for? We are waiting for the next move. So what are we going to measure here, guys? If you need to get this accurate, guys, you need to do this. So I'm going to take this, sorry, yeah, I'm going to take this like this. So this is a breakout. Then I'm going to measure this move to this point. Then I'm going to use my horizontal ray line here. So remember that our take profit will be around this price level. Then the second one will be here. So what are you going to do here, guys? It's easy. You are going to take your position. Okay. We are going to take the position. So here, sorry, we are going to take this short to here. So your stop loss will be there around 1.5, 1.5%, is then your take profit. First take profit will be almost 5%, so that is a good risk reward ratio. Then the second one will be 7%. So you see, this will be your entry, guys. So easy like this, guys. Remember to keep it simple and clear. Forget about indicators, just focus on this price action. I wish you all the best, guys. Thank you for your attention. Make sure you are subscribing so that you will be the first one to get these videos, and make sure you are leaving your comment there below, any suggestion or anything you wish to tell us so that we can improve. I wish you all the best, and I will call this entry. I can't wait you to see this. You are doing it on your own, guys. Thank you. I wish you a good day and have a good time, guys. Enjoy.